Hey, tech enthusiasts, building your first PC? It might seem daunting at first, but don't worry. We've got you covered. Let's dive into the ultimate beginner's guide. By the end of this video, you'll have all the knowledge you need to build your very own custom PC. First, you need to pick your parts. This is a crucial step, as each component plays a vital role in your PC's performance. Start with the CPU. Think of it as the brain of your PC. It processes all the instructions from your software. Next, grab a motherboard. It's like the nervous system, connecting all the parts together. Got 'em? Cool. Now let's talk RAM. More RAM means smoother multitasking. It allows your computer to handle more tasks at once without slowing down. And don't forget storage. SSDs make your PC faster than traditional hard drives. They reduce load times and improve overall system responsiveness. All right, moving on, power supply. Make sure it has enough juice for all your components. A good power supply ensures stable and reliable power delivery. Then, pick a case. It's all about personal taste, but make sure it fits your parts. The case also affects airflow and cooling, so choose wisely. Now for the fun part, assembly. This is where everything comes together. Start by placing the CPU into the motherboard. Be gentle. Align the notches and drop it in. Then add the RAM. Click it into place. Next, mount the motherboard into the case. Screw it in securely. Install your storage drives. Make sure everything is firmly in place. Connect all the power cables. This step is crucial for powering up your system. Don't forget the graphics card. It's essential for gaming and graphic-intensive tasks. Slot it in and secure it. Ensure it's properly seated in the PCIe slot. Done? Almost there? Plug in your peripherals and power it up. Connect your monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Got a boot screen? Congrats, you've built your first PC. It's an incredible feeling, isn't it? And remember, practice makes perfect. The more you build, the more confident you'll become. The more you build, the better you'll get. Each build is a learning experience. Ready to build another one? Let's do it all over again. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide was helpful. Like, subscribe, and happy building. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tutorials. Building your first PC? Let's dive into the ultimate beginner's guide. With each step, you'll gain more confidence and expertise.